What will life after track and field be like for sprint legend USAIN Bolt? After 15 years on the world stage, it is hard to think of the great man doing anything other than athletics. Bolt says he will retire after London, and taken at his words, the question is, what next? I will explore a few possibilities in just a few moments.
Nobody's ever been faster than this guy. Ever. Of all the billions of people. Hold on a second. Wait, should we get a pose here? Yeah, come on, man, show me. Oh, there it is.
Before we proceed, smash the like button to pieces. Leave a comment. Please share the life out of this video. Feel free to subscribe for more content. Remember to turn on your notification so as to never miss another video. Let's do it.
Everybody wants to know how to beat me. This is how you do it. How to do it?
Bolt can play around for a little while if he wishes to do so. For the dirt, he has quad bikes and a fully customized Jeep Wrangler of Vorza for off-road. For tarmac, Bolt can play with one of his two Nissan Skyline GTRs, or a BMW X6 or a Toyota Tundra driven to training sometimes. For fun, on the water there is a party yacht. In 2009, Bolt bought a home in Rum Cay Island in the Bahamas for an unknown fee. Wow, who wouldn't want to live on Rum Cay? It is magnificent. What an incredibly beautiful place Bolt beamed. That playground could be a home away from his exclusive home in Norbrook, St. Andrew. Bolt seems to have been busy aligning himself with the stars for life after athletics. Coach Glenn Mills is anxious to preserve his own legacy at Racers Track Club, and Bolt says he is seriously considering assisting Mills until the maestro decides to call it quits.
Coach Mills.
On any given day, the big man earns an average of Jamaican $12 million. The breakdown of the latest estimates of his annual earnings. Think these numbers. US $6.2 million is estimated net worth before the Rio Olympics in 2016. US $34.2 million, the amount of money earned in 1 year up to June 12, 2017. According to Forbes, he is the 23rd top richest sports person in the world, and 88 is his ranking on the top 100 celebrities list. Bolt has a known equity stake in at least 3 businesses: Enerta, an upstart sports and soul brand, his own shaving company called Champion Shave, and USAIN Bolt's Tracks and Records. The venue almost feels like a shrine to the great athlete, being a blend of a sports bar, restaurant, and gift shop. Other revenue streams include sports endorsement, with farms a dazzling list including the likes of Puma, Gatorade, Bolt watches, Richard Mille watches, Sprint Telecoms, Nissan, Virgin Media, All Nippon Airways, Visa, and telecom giants Digicel. Recently he added Mom, which is a champagne brand, XM, Kinder, and Advil. Bolt's Puma contract runs to 2025 and is valued at US 10 million plus incentives according to Forbes. Annually, an apparel and merchandise empire is growing. The world's fastest man collaborated with Soul Electronics on run-free in-ear headphones and several items within his Bolt collection at Puma. Jamaican apparel manufacturer Sun Islands has the license to use his name, image, and likeness on a line of garments. For philanthropy, the sprinter's work with the USAIN Bolt Foundation is extensive. He once sponsored the Jamaica women's football team as they desperately search for funds to participate in a major tournament. He is also a keen supporter of his alma mater, the William Knibb Memorial High School. He frequently gives sporting equipment to William Knibb. In September 2015, he gave $1.3 million in the form of football and cricket equipment to complement the bundles of athletics kit Puma supply as a part of their sponsorship of the sprinter. Life after track and field is looking good for the legend. He just has to choose which way to go. Typical athlete gets US $10,000 for winning a Diamond League race. Bolt gets $300,000 US to $400,000 just to turn up. London-based Ricky Sims is Bolt's agent through Pace Sports Management. Gina Ford is also listed as an agent. Lifetime best friend Nugent or NJ Walker is Bolt's executive manager, while longtime mentor Norman Peart acts as the Jamaican manager and head of the USAIN Bolt Foundation. Options, options.
I live in Jamaica and I have a lot of fun.
Middle of the night, Burger King run. Me, sign car.
So whether it is partying, whether it's kicking back, relaxing, whether it is chilling with friends and family, whether it is starting his own family, the greatest sprinter of all times is spoiled for options, and he has the financial muscle to finance any objective or any goals he wish to pursue after track and field. Well done.
It's about to go down. Goes! Oh, kill him! Oh.
Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.